How can you use doubles to multiply with 8? Think about this question during the lesson. At a school fun fair, students try to toss a table tennis ball into a bowl. There are 8 rows of bowls. There are 8 bowls in each row. How many bowls are there? What operation should you choose to find the total for an array?
Select your answer.
You use multiplication to find the total for an array. Look at the array for 8 times 8. How would you describe this array? There are 8 rows with 8 in each row. You can use 2's and 4's facts to find 8 times 8. You can use a 2's fact to find 8 times 8. 8 times 8 equals 4 groups of 2 8s. "16 plus 16 plus 16 plus 16 equals 64. So 8 times 8 equals 64. Another way to find 8 times 8 is to use a 4's fact. Double a 4's fact to find 8 times 8. 8 times 8 equals 4 8s plus 4 8s. 32 plus 32 equals 64. So 8 times 8 equals 64. Describe the 2 ways you used to find 8 times 8. You made 4 groups of 16, and you made 2 groups of 32. There are 64 bowls in all.
Now you know how to use doubles to multiply with 8.
Hi, mathematicians. Ready to talk about multiplication facts with 8 as a factor? Great, let's get started. You might not always remember what 8 times 5 is, but you can use the multiplication tools you have to help out.
First, let's make an array. 8 times 5 is 8 groups of 5. Now, you could count all of these, but there's an easier way to do it. We have 8 groups of 5. Using the distributive property, we can break up this array into 4 groups of 5 plus 4 groups of 5. Now we have 4 times 5 and 4 times 5.
Now we are using 4 as a factor instead of 8. Our 2 equal groups tell us that we can double our 4's facts to multiply by 8. So 4 times 5 equals 20, and another 4 times 5 equals 20. 20 plus 20 equals 40. So 8 times 5 equals 40. We used our 4's facts to help us multiply by 8. This problem shows us that we can use our 4's facts to help with 8's facts. To multiply by 8, you can just double your 4's. Great job today, and see you next time.